Hey everybody, I'm here to show you this Meiyou cordless stick vacuum. It's also rechargeable and it's got 18,000 kPa suction power, which is really strong. It's also got a brushless motor, which means it'll work more efficiently because there's less friction, it generates less heat, and it should last a lot longer and operate more quietly. Let me go ahead and open this up. While I do that, let me tell you that it goes for $139.99 on Amazon. So this is silver in color, really light silver color, anodized aluminum, very lightweight. It's really compact, as you can tell. It's got a crevice tool with an optional brush that you can unlock and unlock. So here I've pushed it down so you can use this to loosen up any dirt and have it suck it up. Or if you don't want to, you can just put it away, just like that. It's a power adapter. Got some screws right here for mounting. And here's a powered brush head. And rotation wise, got a lot of flexibility actually. Here's the wall mount to go with the screws. Very simplistic. And it's got a manual inside. So hooking this up is super easy. So to get the dustbin off, before you attach it, you can just give it a turn like this. Pull it right out, and here is the dustbin, and it's tinted so you don't have to like see all the yucky stuff. So once you have this dustbin out, there's two little knobs right here. It's for you to have a good grip, but you just pull it out and empty the barrel, and then when you're done, you just put it right back in, just like that. And I'm gonna put this back in here. And now I'm going to attach this. Just like that, nice click. And then this side, I'm going to do the same thing. Just like that. And here you have the power button and the speed buttons right here. So you do have to charge this when you first get it because it has no batteries, but once you plug it in, you can see these LEDs right here moving, and that's how you know that it's taking a charge. So we'll be back once this is charged up, do a quick demo, and wrap it up from there.